Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox and going to have a closer look of GoPro Max 360 and some of its accessories that my husband got me for my birthday. We both love traveling and he saw how passionate I am in vlogging these days, so he thought that this will be very useful for me. By the way, please take note that this video is not a tutorial and not a review. This will be merely unboxing of GoPro Max and to see what goes with it. Guys, as you can see, this is the newest version of GoPro that has been out of the market for some time now. So, take a closer look of it. It has a 16-MP camera, 5.6K 30 of videoing, 2x slow-mo, max HyperSmooth, max time warp, 1080p live streaming. This is what's very important for me, guys. This is very useful for me for live streaming. So here we go. This is the front of the box. GoPro, okay. Let's see. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys if you're planning to get or to buy a GoPro Max. So these are all the accessories that we'll find inside. Okay. The other thing that we're going to unbox later on, and this one. Okay. Let's start unboxing this now. I'm so excited, guys. Sorry, okay. GoPro Plus, unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro footage, damaged camera replacement, no question asked, right? Free at GoPro.com, free plus. Okay, this one, guys. No need to return to store. Okay. Here's the manual for those who love reading manuals. Okay. Pouch. What's inside the pouch is this one. 2 of this. I don't know yet what this is for, but this is what inside. cable, the clamp. Okay. Battery, guys. Oh. So this is for the camera here. Protective lens. So 2 protective lens. Use the clear caps for added lens protection. For those who's going to use it underwater. What else? That's it. And then now let's take a closer look of okay. So how many camera? 1, 2. 2 camera. Yeah, 2 lenses. 2 camera, and then for mic, for volume, mic. 2 and then 3. Wow, I'm excited to use this. I'm so excited to try this, guys. Looks so awesome. So this is where we're going to put the camera, the battery. Okay. So this is what's all inside the box. Pouch, and then this is our GoPro Max. Let's take this off. Oh, I'm so excited to use this, can't wait. So lightweight, guys. So lightweight. And I can't wait to get the other accessories. For now, we just have this accessory. Shorty mini extension pole and tripod. 4.6 inch to 8.9 inches. 11.7 centimeter to 22.7 centimeter. Lifetime warranty. Portable mini extension pole and tripod. 4 on-the-go activities. Extend Shorty from 4.6 inches up to 8.9 inches. Yeah. Okay, let's open it and take a closer look. I'm so excited to open the box. Especially see this one. So, use a tripod. Shorty. Because if I'm going to vlog, yeah. Shorty mini extension phone. If you want it longer, just pull it up. Okay. Nice. Let's now open this one, guys. The memory. Memory card. So this is everything that we have unboxed, guys. I hope this video could help you decide whether or not you'll buy GoPro Max 360 dual lens. I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. See you again on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Stay safe, everyone. God bless all.